Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you're so very welcome indeed. Willow Smith is the daughter of Will Smith. I think it was a couple of years ago that I found out that her brother Jaden had names after their parents. Jaden was named after Jada and Willow was named after Will, which I think is fabulous because I love the name Willow. And as we all know, they have an older brother from a previous relationship that Will had. Anywho, our gorgeous Willow, and I say that because I remember when she was born. I think she's a beautiful girl, really pretty. Same thing as her two brothers, and talented. I saw a picture of her and she was in tears. And because I have a soft spot for her, I was wondering, oh, why is Willow crying? Until I read the headline. It was very distasteful for me. I expect more from her. I believe that she has so much more of an advantage, and she should be very grateful and blessed that she has been born into privilege. And I think sometimes these privileged children just don't know or don't see how privileged they are. That's what I'm going to say. But in this particular case, it was just distasteful. As a young girl, very classless and unnecessary. And you forget that the world is looking at you. And you forget that there are younger girls, and I know you say it's not your job. Too bad. The mere fact that you are born into a family with such privilege, it means that you have to take accountability for one or two things. You might as well start with the way you present yourself in public. You got young girls who look up to you and want to emulate you. And then you came out with a response, which for me wasn't much of a response. It just highlighted that, for me, you don't know her. So even if you have a soft spot for her, you don't know her. You don't know how she was brought up. You don't know her.
Y'all so dense. Y'all forgot funny existed. Y'all like molasses. Slow. Also sweet though. Be sweet too. Yeah. But it was funny.
And that in a way it's kind of sort of disappointing. Because as far as I am concerned, why? 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 Jada, Will, check up on your children. Check up on your kids. I see Jaden and Willow out here, but I never see the older boy. Stays out of the public eye, does his thing. I don't see him. This right here was just rubbish. And it was unnecessary. And I think that, Willow, what you don't understand, the same energy that you came out talking whatever is the same energy of which not only were we disappointed, and we didn't want to expect that from you, we didn't want to see it. We didn't want to see it. You might have thought that it was funny. It certainly was not. You might have thought that, yeah, you know, I'm cool out here in these streets. I can be and do whatever. No, not necessarily. Not necessarily, because you are Will's daughter. Whether you like it or not, yes, you are. And so we expect better from you. We expect you to behave in a certain way. Because Blue Ivy is out here. and all that we have for her are hugs and kisses and admiration, and then we cross over and say, Beyonce, you're doing a good job. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. So, very short, very sweet, but try and do better. Try and do better. We're not impressed. The aunties out here, yes, I said it, we're not impressed. Darlings, don't forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, and I'll see you what? I'll see you sooner than later. All of my love. You must be asking, what am I wearing? This, my darling, is an old dress from Zara, and I decided to do that kind of old color blocking. So this belt came separately with something else of which I do not remember. Let me get up for you so you can see. And then this, my darlings, is the bag. So it's a real, you know, simple shift dress, but it works. Yes, I do. Look, back up. Have you noticed that I refuse to give any of this away? It's always sold out. Always what? It's always sold out. So, guys, what do I think about our slippery lime shampoo? Let me show you something. Let me show you something. And for the benefit of other shampoo products, I covered them. I had to do this test because I needed to prove a point. And I don't want to bring up any other product or brand. But these are other shampoos that I've had. Yeah? Okay. So I'm going to take them out one by one. Let me put my slippery slime here. I'm going to bring it out one by one. And I'm going to pour it out for you to see. Yeah? Look at the consistency. Look at the consistency. Okay. That is one. Look at the consistency of this one. Okay. Look at the consistency of this. Oh God. Look at the consistency of this. Look at the consistency of slippery slime shampoo by Healthy Hair Studio, created by a trichologist called ENITAN. It's a beast. It won't even. Just look. If you are asking me, Fumi, a slippery lime shampoo, Healthy Hair Studio, created by trichologist ENITAN, is it FDV approved? It is absolutely FDV approved. It is absolutely FDV approved. Go right ahead and use my discount code Fumi and get you.
The value of the information that we were given. So it's not overwhelming. It was very clearly laid out. It was accessible, even for someone that's not familiar with public relations.
Now I'm leaving, feeling more PR ready. What I thought I knew, I now know more. What I came to do, I've done so much more.
If you are serious about really growing your business or growing your brand, then like this is really this is a must.
And I love the fact that I came away from it feeling and knowing that I now have a clear pathway for the things I want to do next for my business.
I'm literally in awe.
pitch, like there's so many platforms that I've wanted to go on, so many podcasts or just things that I thought I can only dream about. But in this retreat and just through the classes and the sessions, I really learned how to actually reach out to those platforms, to those huge platforms.
Know that when it comes to PR, Nina gonna put you together, okay? During our sessions, how she walked us through the playbook and she had us complete tasks. It gave us a sense of clarity.
Nina, you did that. You brought a group of amazing women together and you helped us bond, see our worthiness, and yeah, it was everything I could have dreamed of and more.
Yes, it's really been a unforgettable experience.
This is by far the most impactful few days I've had in a very long time.
Nina, you have no idea how profoundly your journey has impacted my journey.
Don't even think about not signing up.
Hi guys, my name is ENITAN, hair coach. I am UK's first ever hair coach and a trichologist. We are a team of trichologists and hair coaches here in W6 London, and we help those who are desperate and have tried and everything else has failed. We look after those who have chronic scalp concerns, flaky, itchy scalp that's been going on for many years. We help those that have hair loss that has progressed instead of improved, and we help those that just generally want to have a better understanding of better quality hair, length, volume, and reduce that dryness. Visit us by clicking